जय हिंद बच्चों। इस वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करेंगे रेगुलेशन ऑफ सेल साइकिल। जो सेल साइकिल होती है, साइक्लिक प्रोसेस, G1 फेज, G2 फेज, S फेज एंड माइटोटिक फेज, ये सारे फेजेस सेल्स के कैसे रेगुलेट होते हैं। देयर आर सर्टेन प्रोटीन मॉलिक्यूल्स एंड सर्टेन एंजाइम्स which control this progress of cell cycle. ये जो cell cycle, which is a cyclic process, it is restricted or checked at certain points, which are also called as checkpoints or restriction points. So हमने पढ़ा कि during the course of cell division, the cell passes through different phases, G1 phase, S phase and G2 phase. Then a question arises, when does it is decided or which factor controls the phase change? कैसे ये निर्धारित होता है कि सेल को G1 phase से S phase में कैसे पास करना है? So what are certain? So these are actually controlled by the activity of some proteins and enzyme, and these proteins are called as cyclin proteins. The name of the protein is cyclin, which is generally in inactive form. ये क्या होते हैं? Inactive form में generally cell में present होते हैं, and when they are made active with the help of some enzymes, only then the cell changes from one phase to another phase. So जो enzymes होती है, which is called as cyclin dependent kinase, cyclin dependent kinases. So it is an enzyme. You know that kinases are the groups of enzyme which carry out phosphorylation or activation. So इस enzymes की मदद से cyclin protein gets activated and then the cell passes from G1 phase to S phase or G2 phase to M phase. So in a cell cycle there are 2 points at which the cell, during cell cycle there are 2 points at which restriction is made by the DNA or genome of the cell. The first or the major checkpoint is between at the junction of G1 phase and S phase, and this point is called as G1 to S checkpoint or restriction point. It is called as G1 to S check point, or it is also called as restriction and this at this point there is activation of cyclins by the help of cyclin dependent kinase. And there is, after that the cell enters S phase where DNA replication takes place, and from S phase to G2 phase there is very less or no restriction checkpoints is found here. But when the cell crosses G2 to M phase, another a checkpoint is made here, or a checkpoint is available in the cell cycle, and this checkpoint is called as G2 to M checkpoint. It is G2 to M means mitotic checkpoint or restriction point. ये चेक पॉइंट्स हैं जहाँ पे प्रॉपर चेकिंग होती है कि सारे मटेरियल्स which should be needed during the M phase are ready or not. If everything is okay, only then the M phase or actual division phase starts in a cell division. So दो मेजर चेक पॉइंट्स सेल साइकिल में देखने को मिलते हैं. फर्स्ट इज G1 to S check point and second is G2 to M check points. This checkpoint G1 to S phase checkpoint, it is called a major checkpoint because एक बार if the cell has crossed this checkpoint, then the cell will definitely undergo division. So it is a ये क्या होता है, major checkpoint होता है. And G2 to M checkpoint, it is a minor checkpoint. ये minor होता है. Other name is minor checkpoint. So let us discuss what are the enzymes and cycling in this in G1 to S checkpoints. G1 cycling is involved. The name of the protein is G1 cycling. And this enzyme and this protein is activated by a specific cyclin dependent kinase which is called as CDK2. So when it binds with the enzyme CDK is cyclin dependent kinase 2, only then the cell changes its G1 phase and enters into S phase. So this is the process through which a control is kept in the course of a cell. So at G1 to S checkpoints, it is carried out by the phosphorylation of G1 cyclin. G1 cyclin, which is activated by the enzyme CDK2. And in case of G2 to M checkpoints, it is M cyclin or mitotic cyclin. The protein involved, the cyclin or the name of the cyclin is mitotic cyclin और M cyclin. इसको शॉर्ट में M cyclin भी कहते हैं. And this protein is also activated by the same enzyme CDK2, that is cyclin dependent kinase. It is activated by the enzyme CDK2. So when CDK2 binds with M cyclin, it becomes actually phosphorylation. One phosphate group is added to cyclin because kinases are certain enzymes which helps in phosphorylation of its substrate. So when cyclin binds, when CDK binds with cyclin, the cyclin gets activated, and this helps the cell to change its phase or to pass the restriction point or checkpoint, and the cell enters from G2 to M phase, and then the cell division process like prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase occurs, and the finally cell divided into two daughter cell. So this is not very much necessary for NEET examination. But for your understanding, you can learn this information. In your examination, it can be only asked at which point the cell regulation takes place. So that is, first is when the cell enters from G1 to S phase. At this point there is a checkpoint, and the second point is G2 to M phase. It is a minor checkpoint. So there are two checkpoints, G1 to S checkpoint and G2 to M checkpoint. so you can add it in your knowledge, but it is not very necessary for your NEET examination. Okay. In the next class, we will cover the entire process of M phase, that is prophase, metaphase, anaphase and telophase, under the mitotic or mitosis. It is also called as mitosis. Okay, thank you.